Hey there, heading out to my own little free library here in just a minute and putting some books out. So let me show you what I'm gonna put out. So Scissor Skills, this is a workbook. My kids like workbooks and activity books. I don't think they used it all. Okay, there's a couple things that are colored but not cut. So plenty of good life in it. Weird but true stickers and doodles. Similarly, I don't think this is used at all. Lore of the Tides. This is a second in a series. I read the first one, but it was a while back, so I'm gonna give a chance for someone else to read this one. We've got Dog Food. This is such a cute little picture book. It has dogs made out of all different types of fruit and things like that. We've got a little book from forever ago from Chick-fil-A, The Classic Tale of Peter the Rabbit, and Pete the Cat, the Treasure Map. I think these actually came from my school. These two, I was so excited to find these on Facebook Marketplace. So I bought these. They were $2 each. The Berry and James. They're both lightly annotated. I read both of them and really liked them. Creative Not Famous, The Small Potato Manifesto. I bought this and read and annotated a little bit of it, but I just don't think it's the book for me right now, so someone else will really like it. These came as review books to me a while ago. We have really loved them. We got the English and Spanish, and then we have kept the English version for our house. I know there are some friends in our neighborhood who speak Spanish, so we have Two Green and By Myself, two board books. We have a self-defense study guide for trans women because the stuff that works for other people doesn't work for us, and gender nonconforming, non-binary, AM, AB folks. I bought this at a bookstore, read through it. It was really helpful information to share with the community, so I'm putting it out there. I've got this gratitude journal, 5-minute gratitude journal. I think I bought this at Five Below. Sometimes I just buy books because I know they'd be good for the little free library. And finally, my daughter's colored in this a lot, but what's nice is that it's color and erase, so it's reusable, and it's got all different kinds of trolls stuff in there. So let's head out and put those outside. And yes, you can admire the organization of my magnets. I love how they look in the background. Will I check in on the Little Free Library app at my own library? Probably. Oh my goodness. Okay. The Blackberries are taking over. Just give you a look at how good they're doing. Oh, I hope I didn't scare like a little bunny or something. And there's actually some by the Little Free Library. The Little Free Library is looking a little worse for the wear on the side. My husband's like, let's just get a completely new one. And I was like, no, we can just get another piece of wood to put on the sides, because that has been where it's kind of peeled a little bit. It's also kind of Little Free Blackberries too. Let's see what it looks like inside. Okay, we got a stuffed animal. All right. Look at this, you guys. It is Iris, a king cake baby, 2025. So like the king cake in the Mardi Gras tradition. That's cool. I'm not taking this out of here. We also have a bracelet maker kit. I like that people put stuff in here that's not books. So Iris, you're gonna stay in there. Just face you out, girl. You're looking good. I'm gonna move a couple of these paperback books into, I have this little paperback bin I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I think everything's looking pretty good. I think a lot of the younger kid books are getting taken. So I'm gonna make sure I put more like board books out here. The cat can go in here. Try to keep kind of adult books on the top, but things get moved around a lot. But there's some that have been sitting here for a while, so I think I'm going to have to switch some out. James up there, Serviceberry. This one fit up here? Oh, it's tight. Come on, friend. There we go. I feel like I want people to see these weird but true. We can put dog food in this bin. Whoa, sorry. There for a minute. You're back. The weird but true. All right, Peter Rabbit, I'm putting you down there. I think we can put a couple of these up here. Oh, there's Percy Jackson #1. You're telling me people don't want to read that? It is pretty packed in here though, but that's good. We want people to take stuff. Put Scissor Skills next to that other one, okay? And the color and erase, let's just kind of like prop that up. I kind of like doing that sometimes. To just kind of show things on display. The study guide for self-defense guide for trans women. Let's put that over here. And then Peter Rabbit, fit you up top? No, mushy in there, Peter. Okay, let's take a look. That's what it's looking like now. We got the baby peeking out at you. Hopefully no one's creeped out by that when I open it up. We've got a pretty full house. Like I said, I'm gonna check in at the end of the month and maybe take some to move around, leave a little more space in here, but put them in some other Little Free Libraries because some have just stayed here for a while. Just like to keep it fresh. If you are on the Little Free Library app, this is where I'm at. You can check me out, even if you're not nearby, and just kind of see what's happening. If you are nearby and you come, I just wanna let you know that this is how the library closes. A lot of people have trouble with this. That door, then this door. Because if you don't close it that way, okay, ready? Gonna close this one first. And then gonna close this one. It does not close. See, it's a little bit open there. So this door closes first, just to recap. And then that one. then you're all set and you could be on your way. I did forget to show you, I have this for smaller books. So if you want to take the whole thing out, actually, can I turn it? I can't turn it sideways, but you can turn it sideways while you're looking at it. It just won't shut that way. So that way we don't like lose these books in the hustle and bustle. And then that way you can kind of like see everything and then you can turn it back. Excuse us, Iris. Okay, I'm gonna turn you back out, friend. Don't worry, don't worry. There you go. That is a new development. And sometimes when I have like cards, like greeting cards or something, I put them in there, or bookmarks. You know what? While I have you out here, let's see if we can get some blackberries that are ready. So if they're ready, they should just come right off. So almost like touching them, they come off. Well, this one might be. Yeah, I just touched this one, it came right off. Let's see. Oh, that one. Nope, not that one yet. Oh, this one has got to be ready. Okay, maybe not. I had to pull that one quite a bit. Whew, I'm gonna take these little puppies in. Goodness, it was really hot out there. So that is another 15 books in Little Free Library. So I should be up to 45 books. My goal is 1,000. I don't really have a time limit on it. Just wanna see if we can do it. So thanks for hanging out. Until next time, happy reading and go check out your local Little Free Libraries. Bye.